Hi guys, my name is Alexander. I'm a professional trader with over 6 years of experience, and I'm the founder of the Trading Academy, a project that has already helped thousands of people start their trading journey the right way. And the goal is clear: recover, stay focused, and finish the session in profit. But that's trading. It's not always smooth, but it's how you respond after a setback that defines your long-term success. In this brand new video series, I'm starting with just $5. Yes, only $5. And across 5 videos, I will demonstrate what a professional trader can do on pocket option using real money, real analysis, and a clear strategy. As always, I will be using one of my core tools, the MACD indicator, and walking you through every trade live without filters or shortcuts. Where I enter, why I choose that direction, and how I manage the risks. If you have ever thought, can I really grow a small account? This series will answer that question honestly and in real time. Also, everything I use, my signals, trade ideas, and daily results is available in my Telegram channel, which already has over 54,000 subscribers. It's completely free to join, and the link is right below the description. So grab a notebook, stay focused, and don't miss a second. This could be the most realistic and valuable trading content you will find on YouTube. So let's open the charts and get to work. Today we're going for the combat. First trade, a MACD crossed from below to above, opening an up trade for 1 minute. It's very important not to panic right now, just watch the price and follow the indicator. So the price is a bit unstable, but that's normal. The key is to stay calm, wait for confirmation, and not get into panic. We just stay focused. Now the price is confidently moving upward. This confirms our analysis. We're just staying calm and wait for the trade to finish. That's very important part. So guys, final seconds, the price is clearly going in our direction, the trade closed successfully, and we have a great start. First win in the bag. So our second trade, a MACD crossed from above to below, opened a down trade for, again, 1 minute, as usual. Now we calmly watch the price, no rushing to conclusions. Price is moving slightly against us, but that's temporary. The market often fluctuates before moving in our direction, and patiently waiting for our confirmation of the trade. So the situation is improving. Price is reversing and moving down steadily, just as expected. Keep observing carefully and wait for it. So trade is nearing the end. The last few seconds, guys, and another successful trade closes with profit. That's very good. So guys, we're doing very great. Let's continue. So price is the third trade. MACD gives an upward signal, opening an up trade for 1 minute, watching the price movement calmly. Price is still fluctuating, but the strategy is very solid. Stay confident, stick to the plan, and wait for the market's confirmation. Price is starting to move upward, confirming our strategy. Staying calm and wait for the trade to complete. Yeah, guys, we often do these trades every time we do it for 1 minute. It's very important. So the final seconds of the trade, everything looks great. Another successful trade, close in a plus, guys. So yeah, guys, 3 out of 3. And our fourth trade, a MACD indicator crossed from above to below, opening a 1 minute down trade this time, and watch the price carefully. The price is a bit volatile, guys, but the downward trend is becoming very clear, and we're just staying calm and wait for confirmation of our analysis. So now the price is steadily dropping, showing our signal was accurate, so keep a close watch. And we have final seconds of our trade. And yes, final seconds, the trade confidently closes in profit, guys. Okay, We are on a roll. So I am starting our fifth trade. MACD points upward. Opened 1 minute up trade right now. Now we calmly observe the price movement and just stay disciplined. So our price is a bit unstable, but that's okay. The key is to stay calm and wait for the market to confirm our analysis. Price is moving up steadily, so this confirms our strategy. Stay calm and wait for the trade to end. Final seconds of the trade, everything is stable, another profit. Yeah, fifth trade closed confidently, a great result and proof of our strategy, keeping the momentum. Yeah guys, 5 winning trades. So I'm opening the 6th trade. MACD gave a down signal, opening a 1 minute down trade. Watching the price very closely, market is calm for now and we are ready for any changes. Price is confidently moving downward, just as we predicted before, and this confirms our analysis were correct, and we are continuing watching calmly. So some fluctuations, but the price is holding steadily in our trade direction. No sudden moves, just patiently waited for the end. No sudden moves, just patiently wait for it to end. Coming to the end, price continues downward, trade closes in profit, another success proving our strategy's reliability. We have a very great streak, guys. 7th trade, MACD shows an up signal, opening a 1 minute up trade. Watch the chart patiently, observe the situation carefully, no rush to judge. Price starts to move up, confirming our position, and everything looks calm and stable. Continue watching confidently. Everything looks calm and stable. Continue watching confidently. Everything looks calm and stable. Continue watching confidently. The chart looks great. Price steadily going up, perfectly matching our analysis. Wait calmly for trade to finish. So final seconds of this trade going well. Price stayed at the right level. Another profit, confidently closing the trade in the green. That's just fantastic. That wraps up our first trading session in this $5 challenge. We started small, but this is just the beginning. In the next video, we will continue exactly from the amount we ended with today, growing the account step by step without skipping any part of the journey. You will see the full picture, real trades, real decisions, and how a professional manages every stage of account growth, even from the small accounts. If this sounds interesting to you, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. And most importantly, join my Telegram channel. Yeah, that's where I share all the behind the scenes, live trading results, daily signals, copy trading access, and educational content.